1 Corinthians 7:19. Circumcision counts for nothing. Uncircumcision counts for nothing. Obedience to God's commands is everything. It isn't whether we're Jew or Gentile that matters. It's the fact that we're willing to follow Him through faith that counts. Okay. Esther 6:5-6. The king's servant said to him, "Behold, Haman stands in the court." The king said, "Let him come in." He had to stand out in court. He couldn't just come in willing. He had to be asked to come in, pretty much which upon he had to come in. You wouldn't stand in the king's court unless you wanted to speak to the king or speak to somebody in the palace, oftentimes the king. So he summons by the king to speak. So Haman came in. The king said to him, "What shall be done to the man whom the king delights to honor?" So the king's thinking of how to reward Mordecai. So he's asking Haman his opinion. Of course, it's the king's choice and the king's decision, but oftentimes kings would counsel man, and he doesn't actually even address what Haman wants here. He addresses Haman to answer his question, which Haman has to answer the king's question before he makes his request. Even if the king could summon him, but if the king didn't ask him his request, he couldn't tell it. We as Christians today, we have prayer through Christ. We can communicate to our King and Lord. Now Haman said in his heart, "Whom would the king delight to honor more than myself?" So we see again Haman's pride and arrogance, which becomes his downfall. Pride and arrogance never leads to anything good. It always leads to the path of destruction.